manual control. I've got I got computer control of my phone. And my finger's stuck. Okay, so that was the first crash. I'll get you guys out here so you can see what's going on with it. Not helping me. I want. They got all that done. Now. Don't too cold. There's really no issue as far as that crashing, having an issue. Thing's even got voice command control. Voice command. I don't know how that works. I don't know how we reset it. I've got no more light on it, so. Well, battery gets warm. It's got its own setting. It will, oh, my battery's dead. There we go. Well, that was the first try. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so that was the first attempt. In trying to control it with the phone. Battery needs to be charged. But there you go. That's the start. It is a start. Alright, so well, as you can see, that didn't work out so well. It got it in the air okay, but I couldn't control it. Being phone controlled, my hand's slipping all over my phone and it's not responding. So looks like this has only got like a 10-minute. You only got a 10-minute flight. 10-minute flight time. So now I can pop that out. Here's your charger cable. Using that one. Right, plug the cable into the charger. And then a little slot at the very top of that. Plug that in. And then you're going to get your charging light. And it will go out when it's done. Alright, so let's see. Let's read the instructions here and find out. I want to just be able to control it from the controller. I don't like using my phone. I don't like using my phone, period. Let's see. Jack rack. Be very careful with your phone in the jack rack, because it can slip out of there in a heartbeat. Key to start and key landing. Let's see. Open the aircraft power switch. Aircraft placed on a flat ground. When the aircraft indicator light flashes, open the remote control power source switch. And the throttle joystick pushed to the highest after source switch. The throttle joystick pushed to the highest after pulled to the lowest. Buzzer prompt tick sound. Aircraft indicator light is on. Right frequency is complete. Then you can take off. Okay. So then you should be running strictly off your controller. Key to start and key to landing. Tip: this product is determined by the barometer in a variety of environmental temperatures and other factors. The aircraft will automatically start when flying or low voltage appear high and low changes are normal. That's what it says. So that must be those. Okay. So we will see. We'll see how that works. But did have view. I have no idea what happened after I lost control. Actually, I didn't lose control. She just wanted to fly where my finger was sending it, but I couldn't get it to. I couldn't control my finger on here. I don't know whether it's because my fingers were sweaty or what. Oops, sorry. But okay. So I'm gonna see if I can download some pictures out of here. See what they did. Maybe. Highway. I have something. I don't know if it's a picture or a. I'm not sure. Ah, shoot! It was a photo. Oh, just a photo. It was just a photo of my landing pad. So we didn't even get any. I didn't get any pictures, I don't think. I'm gonna go to my phone here. I got a picture of my landing pad. I didn't get any pictures of the takeoff of the flight. Huh, okay. Well, be a little more learning on that. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next altitude and the maiden voyage of the Drone X Pro. Go.